Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at a 2021 Nissan Sentra SV with a 2.0 liter engine in it. I'm going to show you the location of the oxygen sensor and give you some information about that. But first, let's take a look at your underhood label. This label right here gives you a lot of important information about your vehicle, including the list of all the emissions components on your vehicle. You can see right here is your wide range heated oxygen sensor or your air fuel ratio sensor. The older sensors were oxygen sensors, and those only measured the amount of oxygen in the exhaust stream and gave that information to the computer to optimize performance of your vehicle as best it can. Now, with these wide range or wide band oxygen sensors, these read the air fuel ratios in the exhaust stream and give that information to optimize performance and efficiency of your vehicle. They are way more accurate than the older sensors, so it's just a little bit of advancement in technology with vehicles. You can see right here on the back side of the motor in the exhaust manifold is your oxygen sensor. To remove this, you will take a 22mm open end or a oxygen sensor socket. You can see right there is the connector to the wiring harness. When you replace these, make sure you get a factory OEM replacement, a direct replacement that is, never get a splice in. A good aftermarket oxygen sensor is a NTK sensor if you don't end up going to the factory. Make sure you look for links in the description below to purchase tools and parts necessary to replace this sensor. And if you're chasing some OBD2 codes such as a heater circuit, let's hope that the sensor itself has gone bad. If you're chasing a lean or rich condition, you might be having an issue with the actual engine and the oxygen sensor is telling you so, that there's actually a problem, not that the oxygen sensor is bad. If you're having a circuit malfunction, such as a stuck low resistance or a stuck high resistance, sometimes the oxygen sensor could be sensing a lean or rich condition and just stuck in that resistance. I always recommend replacing the oxygen sensor first, and as well, these sensors should be replaced about every 100,000 miles to optimize performance of your vehicle. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Make sure you take a look in the description for links for needed tools and parts. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a comment below with the year, make, model, and engine size. And please subscribe and share before you go too far. I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.